Hello and welcome. Today we are talking about at the post office. This podcast is for English learners at A2 level. We will use simple words and clear sentences. Let's begin. It is Monday morning. Anna needs to go to the post office. She wants to send a package to her friend. Her friend lives in another city. Anna has a small box. Inside the box, there is a gift. She also has a letter. She wants to send the letter too. Anna walks to the post office. The post office is not far from her home. When she arrives, she sees a line. There are many people. Some people want to send letters. Some people want to get packages. Anna stands in line and waits. While she is waiting, she looks around. She sees a counter, a scale, boxes and envelopes, stamps. There is also a worker behind the counter. The worker helps customers. Anna thinks, I need to send this package. I also need stamps for my letter. She checks the address on the box. Everything is correct. Finally, it is Anna's turn. She walks to the counter. She smiles and says, Hello. Now Anna is at the counter. The worker smiles and says, Good morning. How can I help you? Anna says, Good morning. I want to send this package, please. She puts the box on the counter. The worker takes the box and puts it on the scale. The package is a little heavy, he says. It is 1 kilogram. Anna nods. That's okay. The worker asks, Where do you want to send it? Anna answers, To London, please. The worker looks at the address. Okay, London. That's fine. He asks another question. Do you want standard delivery or express delivery? Anna is not sure. She asks, What is express delivery? The worker explains. Standard delivery is cheaper, but it is slower. It takes about 5 to 7 days. Express delivery is faster. It takes 2 to 3 days. But it is more expensive. Anna thinks for a moment. She says, I choose express delivery. The worker smiles. Good choice. Then he asks, Do you want to track your package? Anna looks confused. Track? The worker explains again. You can check where your package is. You can see it online. Anna says, Oh, yes. I want that. The worker types on the computer. Okay, he says. Please write your name and address here. He gives Anna a small form. Anna takes a pen and writes her name, her address, her phone number. She gives the form back. The worker checks everything. Perfect, he says. Then he prints a label. He puts the label on the box. Now your package is ready, he says. Next, you need to pay. Anna asks, How much is it? The worker answers, It is 25 euros. Anna takes her wallet. She says. Can I pay by card? The worker says. Yes, of course. Anna uses her card. The machine beeps. Payment is done. The worker gives her a receipt. Here is your receipt, he says. And here is your tracking number. Anna smiles. Thank you very much. The worker says. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Anna feels happy. Her package is on the way. Now she still needs to send her letter. Anna is still at the post office. She already sent her package. Now she wants to send her letter. She takes the letter from her bag. She goes back to the counter. The worker sees her and smiles. Do you need more help? He asks. Anna says. Yes, please. I want to send this letter. The worker takes the letter. He looks at it carefully. Okay, he says. Where is this letter going? Anna answers. It is going to Paris. The worker nods. Great, he says. That's easy. He checks the envelope. He looks at the address. Good, he says. The address is clear. Then he asks. Do you need a stamp? Anna says. Yes, I need a stamp. The worker opens a small box. He takes out some stamps. This stamp is for international letters, he says. It costs €2. Anna says. Okay, I will take one. The worker gives her the stamp. Anna looks at the envelope. She asks. Where do I put the stamp? The worker smiles. You put it in the top right corner. Anna carefully puts the stamp on the envelope. Then she asks. Do I need to write anything else? The worker says. No, everything is fine. Anna looks around. She sees a red mailbox inside the post office. She points and asks. Can I put the letter there? The worker says. Yes, you can. Or I can take it for you. Anna smiles. I want to put it in the mailbox. She walks to the mailbox. She opens it. She puts the letter inside. She feels good. Now her friend will get the letter soon. Anna goes back to the counter. Thank you again, she says. The worker replies. You're welcome. Anna is ready to leave. But then she remembers something. I also need an envelope for next time, she says. Anna is still at the counter. She says, I also need an envelope for next time. The worker nods. Of course, he says. What size do you need? Anna thinks for a moment. I'm not sure, she says. I want a normal envelope for a letter. The worker shows her 2 envelopes. This one is small, he says. And this one is bigger. Anna looks at both. The small one is good, she says. The worker gives her the envelope. Do you need anything else? He asks. Anna looks around again. She sees postcards, pens, and boxes. Oh, I also need a pen, she says. I don't always have one with me. The worker smiles. Good idea, he says. He shows her a few pens. Here are some pens. They are simple and cheap. Anna chooses a blue pen. I like this one, she says. The worker takes the envelope and the pen. Okay, he says. That is €3 in total. Anna takes her wallet again. This time, she has cash. She gives the worker €5. The worker gives her change. Here is €2 back, he says. Anna puts the money in her wallet. She also puts the envelope and pen in her bag. Then she asks, "What time does the post office close?" The worker answers, "We close at 6 p.m. on weekdays and at 2 p.m. on Saturday. We are closed on Sunday." Anna nods. Good to know, she says. She looks at the clock on the wall. It is still morning. The post office is not very busy now. Anna says, "This place is very helpful." The worker smiles. Thank you. We are happy to help. Anna feels confident now. She knows how to send a package, send a letter, buy stamps, buy envelopes. She is ready to leave. But before she goes, she has one more question. Anna is almost ready to leave. But she has one more question. She goes back to the counter. "Excuse me," Anna says. The worker looks at her. "Yes," he asks. Anna says, "I have a question. Can I send money from the post office?" The worker nods. "Yes, you can," he says. "We have a money transfer service." Anna is interested. "Oh, really?" she says. "How does it work?" The worker explains. You fill out a form. You write your name and the receiver's name. You also write the amount of money. Anna listens carefully. And then she asks. The worker continues. You give the money to us. We send it to the other person. The person can get the money at another post office. Anna nods. That sounds easy, she says. Is it safe? The worker smiles. Yes, it is safe, he says. But you need correct information. Anna thinks again. How much does it cost? She asks. The worker answers. It depends on the amount of money. There is a small fee. Anna says. Okay, I understand. Maybe I will use it next time. Then she asks another question. Can I also receive packages here? The worker says. Yes, you can. You can use this post office as a pickup point. Anna looks surprised. That's very useful, she says. The worker explains more. If you are not at home, your package can come here. You can pick it up later. Anna smiles. That is perfect for me, she says. I am often not at home. The worker nods. Then this is a good option for you. Anna feels happy. Now she knows many new things. The post office is not difficult anymore. She says, Thank you for all the information. The worker replies, You're very welcome. Anytime. Now Anna really is ready to leave. Anna walks to the door. She feels good and confident. Today, she did many things at the post office. She sent a package. She sent a letter. She bought an envelope and a pen. She asked important questions. Now she understands how the post office works. Before, she felt a little nervous. Now, she feels calm. Outside, the weather is nice. Anna starts walking home. She thinks about her friend in London. Soon my friend will get the gift, she says. She also thinks about her letter to Paris. I hope my friend likes it, she smiles. Let's review what Anna learned today. At the post office, you can send a package, send a letter, buy stamps, buy envelopes, ask for help. You can also choose standard delivery, slow and cheap, express delivery, fast and more expensive. You can track your package, pay by card or cash, fill out forms. You can also send money, receive packages. Useful phrases. Hello. How can I help you? I want to send this package. How much is it? Can I pay by card? Where do I put the stamp? Thank you very much. Anna arrives home. She puts her bag on the table. She feels proud. Today, she used English in real life. And you? Next time you go to the post office, you can use these words and phrases too. Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.